Sweden has had enough of China's activities in the West Philippine Sea and has boldly called for the Chinese Navy to withdraw from the area. This surprising move highlights Sweden's increasing involvement in this highly contested region, asking China to remove its military forces and respect international waters. At a time when tensions over territorial disputes are intensifying, Sweden's intervention signals a shift in its foreign policy. Known for its strong stance on human rights and democracy, Sweden's call for China to withdraw from the West Philippine Sea supports the global push for upholding international law. As a result, Sweden has decided to send naval ships to the area and conducted joint military exercises with the Philippines. This action reflects Sweden's resolve to back countries that are standing up for their territorial rights against powerful adversaries like China. In addition to its military presence, Sweden recognizes the importance of information in modern conflicts. To combat Chinese propaganda and misinformation, Sweden has deployed cyber tools aimed at educating the public about the significance of the West Philippine Sea. The narrative Sweden presents highlights this struggle as one between democracy and authoritarianism. Sweden's position aligns with many Western nations that uphold the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, advocating for global order and the rule of international law. Sweden continues to push for peaceful solutions to territorial conflicts, supporting smaller nations like the Philippines in their quest for sovereignty and maritime rights. The 2016 ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration at The Hague, which invalidated China's historical claims over the West Philippine Sea, was a turning point. For Sweden, this ruling exemplifies how international law can provide a fair platform for resolving disputes without the use of force. Sweden's support for the Philippines further solidifies its commitment to UNCLOS, reinforcing that global maritime law should be respected. By standing with the Philippines, Sweden underscores its belief that all nations must follow international rules to resolve disputes, particularly in strategically important areas like the West Philippine Sea. The country has a vested interest in ensuring that global maritime routes remain free and open, which are essential for trade and security. As part of the European Union, Sweden also follows the EU's broader foreign policy, which advocates for the preservation of peace and security in the South China Sea. The EU firmly supports freedom of navigation and opposes any actions that might escalate tensions in the region. Sweden's commitment to this policy aligns with the broader European goal of ensuring a stable and rules-based order in the Indo-Pacific. Despite its limited military capacity to engage with China directly, Sweden's diplomatic influence is crucial. While the country is heavily focused on its role in the conflict in Ukraine, its support for the Philippines through naval presence and cooperation with the EU sends a strong message. Sweden's interests in the Indo-Pacific region are not purely military. They are also economic and strategic, given the region's significance for global trade and stability. Sweden's trade and diplomatic connections with Southeast Asia, especially the Philippines, reflect its broader interests in the region. Southeast Asia's growing economies provide numerous opportunities for Swedish businesses, particularly in technology, innovation, and sustainable development. Sweden's support for the Philippines strengthens these ties, building closer relations with a nation that serves as a key economic partner in Southeast Asia. By aligning itself with the Philippines, Sweden not only supports a growing economy with a young, dynamic workforce, but also reinforces its position within the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. The Philippines serves as a gateway to ASEAN's broader market, which is crucial for Swedish trade and investment. This partnership enables Sweden to strengthen its presence in Southeast Asia, benefiting both economies in terms of trade and cooperation. Furthermore, Sweden's support for international law, human rights, and democratic governance resonates with the Philippines' values. These shared principles enhance the diplomatic relationship between the two countries, fostering collaboration in areas such as climate action, innovation, education, and defense. By working together, Sweden and the Philippines can deepen their strategic partnership, contributing to regional stability and prosperity. Sweden's involvement in the West Philippine Sea dispute not only reaffirms its commitment to international law but also underscores the importance of upholding a rules-based order in one of the world's most vital maritime regions. Don't forget to subscribe to Island Frontlines for more updates and insights on global and regional issues.